Hi, it's Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty, with offices in Marietta, Ohio, and in Vienna, West Virginia. To help buyers and sellers, I've been doing a series of 5 different videos on the subject of the sales contract, and each one of the video covers pages 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in separate videos. So if you're just tuning in and you're seeing this video, maybe you can go back and find the other videos. They're labeled as page 1, page 2, and so forth. So very important is buyers and sellers understand all of the elements of the sales contract. And if you don't have a good understanding of it, then you may be very disappointed in some way in the future, either as the buyer or the seller. So what does page 5 have on it? Well, page 5 has a couple of different things. One, it states that this is a legal contract between the buyer and the seller and not with the realtors or the brokers involved. If there is some kind of a dispute, it has to be solved legally, and that might even be a magistrate, a court, but however that negotiation, it becomes a legal matter and it has to be solved legally. The other thing that it brings out on this page is that fair housing rules of the federal government must be followed, and that means it could not be any kind of discrimination. If you've got any questions about that, I'll be glad to review all the different classes that have to be protected and so forth. And then the seller can't sell part of the property, can't give an easement, can't make any changes to the property until after this property closes or the contract is terminated. There is also an expiration of the offer, and that's at the time of the essence. So typically you'll say this contract needs to be signed by 6 p.m. on whatever date and time, or then if not, then the contract has expired. There's also a place on there for the receipt of the earnest money, so that the seller knows that the earnest money has gotten to the listing broker and has been received and recorded. So very important subject, the contract. If you have any questions about it, just give me a call. We'll chat and we'll go over it. Or if you want, you can go back and take a look at any of these 5 videos that cover each one of the pages. Everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.